Okay guys, here we have the Balustrade Kit 1 quick demonstration. Starting off here by loading up your crimping tool. We recommend using a 16mm die. As you can see, we've put the die in there. Turn that button there to the on position and start pumping. As you can see, your jaw's closing, and that's how you get your swage on the swage fittings. And just turn it to the off position there, and it'll just release the pressure. So what we're doing here is we've drilled a 6mm pilot hole for an 8mm wood screw thread eye bolt. This eye bolt here is 60mm long that comes with the kit. Just so you know, it's normally an 80mm post you'll use at home with your decking. So the 60 doesn't go all the way through. It's perfect, and you just obviously screw this all the way in to the collar and do the same the other end. And obviously there you go, 2 location points. So back to the tool, turn it back to 1, and load up your swage jaw fitting. Cut some the 4mm stainless wire rope provided, roughly, you know, the length you're going to need, and then swage the jaw in first. So as you can see there, just pump it now, just so you can feel it when it grabs it at first. Once it's grabbed it right here, just give it a couple of squeezes. There's no need to go over the top, and just wait till the jaw's shut there. And once it's shut, just release the pressure. Turn the button, the valve to off. It'll release the pressure. And then here we go. Have a quick look. That's grabbed it nicely. And then what we're going to do here is go back to the location eye we've already drilled in. Release the clevis pin from the jaw. Put the jaw through the eye. Put the pin back through. And then just fasten the clevis keyring pin back into the clevis. Okay, this part now, this is quite important. We need to get the rigging screw pulled out around about 50% of its overall, you know, tension ability. So around about 30mm each side. This allows us to take up any slack on the wire and obviously, you know, keep it as an adjuster. If you do it when it's closed, you're not going to be able to adjust it. So we do it when it's 50% open as a rule. So we attach the rigging screw to the second eye. Once we've done that, we do a quick measurement with the wire, and where the wire ropes goes into the sleeve, we measure at the back of the sleeve, which is roughly around about here, right at the back. So we're going to mark here with a marker pen, and that's where we're going to cut the wire rope. Obviously, if it's a tiny bit long or a tiny bit short, the adjustability on the rigging screw will take care of that. So here we go, we're going to cut that wire where we marked it. And then just like the swage jaw, we're going to attach it and we're going to hydraulically crimp it exactly the same way. Often get asked, where should you crimp it on the body, on the barrel? I mean, what we say is it's tight, very slightly tapered at the bottom, and then at the bottom where it goes flat, just around about 5mm up from there. Exactly the same way. Turn the valve to on and start pumping. And then that should give us the perfect length as just measured. Okay, so it's all swaged together nicely. Let's have a quick look at the swages. There's the one on the other end on the jaw. There's the second one, and now it's just time to put it into our location points. Obviously, when you're doing multiple ones of these, we're just doing this for a demonstration. Obviously, when you're doing multiple ones, we need to measure 100mm centres just to cover building regs that, you know, you can't get a 100mm sphere through. And that's pretty much it, really. So we're just going to attach the the split pin into the clevis pin, and you got a little bit of slack now, and then just by rotating the body, we'll take that slack up nicely. As you can see, well, a little bit of thread still showing it at either end. We've still got plenty of you know, adjustability going forward. Once you're happy, just tighten the lock nuts back up to the body. Tighten them by hand. Tighten them with a little spanner if you want to put a little bit more pressure. But there we go. Balustrade kit 1, available to buy in a kit up to 10 lengths. Or obviously you can buy all the components individually on their own. I will put links on the video below. Okay, thanks for watching.